Hey, what is up, guys? It is Apex Plays back with another video. And today, we are playing Animal Jam. Yep, that's right. And it's my first Animal Jam video, and I've been playing it for a while now. And it's really addictingly fun. So I'm gonna go into my den. And you'll see a big surprise there. Let's see. That's pretty slow. Oh, it's my special guest, Twinkle Vine Spear. Or my own sister, Katie, who is sitting right next to me. Won't you say hi now? Hi. Hold on, let me click you. A shout out to Katie214. Go ahead and buddy her.
Well, gift me.
Well,
Because, yeah,
yeah, and
my
I'll also
bio
be
list is full.
I'll be opening mailboxes and everything, and I'll do a weekly Animal Jam video. I'll try to work on that, though. Yeah, I'll really try working on my recording, guys. Again, you know the reason what happened. My computer was loaded with viruses and crap, pop-up ads, and it's still pretty slow since it's in the process of being fixed. So, what do you want to do today? What do you want to do today?
We're gonna roleplay.
Let's not roleplay. Let's do like something in Jamaa. Like, wanna play Spider Zappers?
Spider Zapper?
Yeah, let's go to Geo Crate.
What is Spider Zapper?
Or we should play Best Dress.
Yes.
Okay, I'll meet you and just follow me to arcade. Ugh, you see how, guys, this is like really laggy.
Mine's like super fast.
And I'm decked out in winter, cause you're on your Chromebook. It's the only thing I can record on.
Look at my,
Are you in my Best Dress? Are you in where I am?
I'm gonna get my,
What? Oh, yeah, I hear you changing. Meet me there. Okay, are we in the same world? Check your world. Balea.
I'm in blue. I followed you.
Oh, yeah, right. I'm waiting for you. It doesn't matter what you wear, dude.
I know, I just want to put my outfit on.
Because you can change anything in Best Dress.
There.
Okay, we're all decked out in winter gear.
Yeah, I'm a deer. Her reindeer.
Okay, my little reindeer, you're going the wrong way. Here. This way. That keep going this way. All the way over here. There.
I've never been in this world. Okay.
Now click play in 3, 2, 1. I think we're in the same one. Hold on. Is there me? No, we're not in the same
No,
one.
dang it!
Fail.
It happens like that.
Oops, I
guys.
clicked log out. No. Gosh dang it. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna quickly log back in. Alright, guys.
Okay, we're back.
I'm back. I just got a jamagram from someone. She wants fire wings. Don't have any. I'm recording. Seriously. I'm filming. I can't spell. I'm so used to typing on a Chromebook. I can't even type. Okay, never mind.
Watch her
Oh my god.
fail at this.
This reminds me of the last video I uploaded. Shut up, Caitlin. Okay. I have to follow you back to Jules. This happens to me like all the time. Lag! I made that noise. That noise wasn't pleasant, was it?
No, it was not.
Oh, hey. Joy's on. Yeah, I made a clan of Ketes, warrior cats. Because if you've been a subscriber for a while, you know I'm obsessed with warrior. Oh my god. No, I do not care. Okay, click play. In 3, 1. Okay, wait. Llama right there. Yeah, we're in the same one. I'm pretty sure that's me and I was right
Okay, you're gonna watch us dress up.
there. Okay.
Well, her dress up.
Yeah. Okay, I always like doing this look. Wait, wrong one. Wait for that. Swirling pattern looks beautiful on the Arctic Wolf. And the lightning pattern, in my opinion. I love the music in the background. So groovy. The beta Arctic hood.
I'm sure there's new things on.
Yeah, and all the Christmas stuff is coming out.
Yep, there's new things. A rare bow. A dentist design a skirt. Oops, that came out a little weird, but
You like the Santa skirt? Oh, the rare worn blanket. Wait. Should I do the winter jacket or the rare worn
ooh,
blanket?
this looks good. Look,
Yeah. You just kind of look really patriotic with the Indian, like the mask.
I'm
the
taking
freedom
it
mask.
off anyways.
Does that match well? There we go.
Oh, this looks good.
I do this. I've been doing this for a while. Oh, we're starting.
Ah!
The laziest.
I'm good at this.
I'm super good at this. Ugh, lag. Okay, I'm gonna do blue and a lighter blue. Get all the way to the moon pattern, yellow. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, I guess I'll do this. Okay, that's fine.
That looks good.
Ah, this is not going well.
And should we just vote for each other?
Oh, I just got a jammogram. No! Tie. I'm like, jeez. Language. Are you the monkey head one? Click. Click. Click.
I see
Click.
you.
Click.
You're the only one.
Yes. Click. 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 Jeez. Did I vote for you? I think I voted for you. I think I voted for you. I hope I voted for you.
Yeah, I probably didn't. And Shannon Shibberjum, is that you?
Okay, someone's at my den.
Is that you?
Yes. I didn't. Someone's in my den. I'm gonna go check it out.
Oh, why'd you leave? Why'd you leave?
Cause someone's at my den. I just got a jammogram. It's making my game bug out like nuts. Oh hey. I've adopted this person.
Yeah, I'm trying to adopt someone too. We should make a video where we help me adopt someone. It's clan.
So. Okay, another shout out to. Wait, you don't go away. This person. I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry. I can't spell. There. I'll post it tomorrow. So yeah. guys, so you've basically seen it all. Hold on. I'm gonna message Joy Joy, my friend, my personal friend. Shout out to her as well. So wait, I will stay for a while. So yeah, I'm gonna do a 10 walk through.
We should do it for both of us.
Okay, guys, I have my thing. Everyone wants to respond. We have the giant mirror statue, and I have the 2011 porch swing. Let's see what buddies are on.
Not many.
This is my workshop area, kind of. If this will ever load. And I have my den music. I have a Christmas tree. And if this will work, there we go. I have the plaid clock couch. I have a nice elegant table. I have my Arctic Fox trophy and my Lynx trophy. I have 2 beta sword and shields. If this will let me move, there we go.
Oh yeah, Lorelai, I got a stone chair.
Cool.
I'll show you.
I have the elegant table. I have a beta paw print vase. I have the birthstone collection that just started, and I have an epic plushie. Epic horse plushie, and horses are my fave. So down here, if you have the Skyden, you know, and I also have the beta. Well, you actually don't know if it's beta yet. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's beta. Yeah, it's beta. The Spaceship Gray. Up here, if this will load. Okay, everyone's... Okay, so we have a little mini Phantom study here. I have my Frozen Phantom and a Golden Angry Phantom and a Phantom chalkboard I got from not the Search for Greely's Inferno, by opening the Wolf Gate. And this is a den portal I have up here. If it will load, I'll show you guys. There we go. And let's do the slide down.
And that's her precious day.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Why don't you just shut up right now then? Okay, so you did not hear anything, so I'm just gonna go down this slide here. Ugh. Here, you know what, Fran? You can have mine here in a second. Oh wait, I can't give you gifts. Oh, I'll treat you.
What she want?
A Christmas scarf. Why won't I go down the slide?
Here, I can show them.
No, you can't.
Again?
How can you show them? You're not recording. Oh. You go down in slow motion for me.
Yeah, I'm going down in slow motion. Because of her leg.
Get off the slide. I'm gonna walk down here.
Oh, bitch.
This is insane. How am I even still playing this?
And also, the Sky High.
Okay, yeah.
Sky
So you get
High.
the point. I have a little other stuff that I'll show you in the next video when my next Animal Jam video when my thing isn't being stupid. Okay, so I'm gonna tell her to put something bad on trade so I can get you a scarf.